Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Today's topic is earthing. Metal body of the appliance is connected to a thick copper wire which is buried deep in the earth, and its other end is connected to a copper plate surrounded by a mixture of charcoal and common salt. First question is, what is fuse? Fuse is a small piece of wire, is an electrical system machine, etc. that melts and breaks if there is too much power. This stops the flow of electricity and prevents fire or damage. If the electric current will rush through the body to the earth and is doing so affect the nervous system, which will cause death. To avoid such a situation, metal casing of all such appliances are earthed. The earth can be regarded as an electric sink. It can receive any amount of electrons, but its potential remains zero. Next is how household distribution of current is done and how local earthing is done. The process is, the electric power is supplied to a house either through overhead wires on the poles or through an underground cable. Before connecting the electric lines to the meter of a particular house, the electric company places a fuse in the live wire either at the pole or before the meter. This is fuse commonly called as pole fuse. The current rating of fuse wire depend upon the load sanctioned by the company for some particular household. If the user overdraws current then the sanctioned load, then this fuse melts and stop the supply of current to that house. Now, in some places, some people use direct connection from transformers, which is a type of theft. It can overload sanctioned load and lead to melting of fuse also. If the user overdraws current, then the sanctioned load, then the fuse melts and stops the supply of current to that house. The electric cable coming to a house consists of three separate and insulated wires, namely live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. The neutral and earth wires on the supply end are connected together, so the both of them are at zero potential. Beyond the main fuse, the live and neutral wires are connected to the main switch. Main switch consists of a double pole iron clad switch. The switch can cut off the live and the neutral wires from household circuit by operating a single lever. The iron body of the main switch is locally earthed. The power flowing out of the main switch can be distributed in the house by two systems, commonly called tree system and ring system. Amongst the above system, the ring system is generally preferred. So students, this is the explanation of earthing, how earthing is done and how it is necessary. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share my video with maximum people. Thank you so much. God bless you all.